I'm Dr. Brian Reed. I'm a general surgeon with HighPoint Surgical Associates. I'm a Sumner County native. I was actually born here at Sumner Regional Medical Center. I grew up in Bethpage, went to school in Gallatin, and trained in the University of Tennessee system. When I was growing up, the TV show MASH was frequently shown in our house, and I was always fascinated by the scenes in surgery. And then once I actually started medical school, getting exposed to surgery, I found it very appealing to be able to be presented with a problem that you could see the results of how you intervened with patients and make a real difference that you could actually see in a patient's life. So when I finished my surgery training, I was actually obligated to spend some time in the military and spent 5 years on active duty in the United States Navy. I served in Afghanistan in 2011. And then when my time in the military finished up, I was actually recruited to a hospital in New England and was very happy there. It was a phenomenal experience, but we were very far from home. And so the opportunity arose to be able to come back and serve in my community where I grew up. And I think that that's something that's been a real blessing both to my career and to our family as well. I think that HighPoint Surgery is different because we have a partnership of surgeons that work communally. We interact with each other on a daily basis. We share information with patients. We think together. We work together. And I think that it provides a very unique experience for patients because you are really getting the surgical expertise of 3 different providers, not just one provider. When a patient first comes into our office, we want them to feel like they're a part of our family and to be greeted. And so you will be greeted by the office staff, and each of the providers has a nurse that works with them, and so you'll get to know them intimately as well. We understand that surgery is a very stressful experience, and we want to be able to answer your questions, to make you feel comfortable, and to feel like you're making a well-informed decision about the procedure that you might be undergoing. So my free time, we spend a lot of time with our family. We're a very close-knit family, and so a lot of extracurricular activities in and around town. And my wife and I are foodies, so we like to go try places in Nashville and experience new and exciting restaurants. We have 3 children, and extracurricular time was spent with our kids' activities, which is a lot of fun as well. Personally, I spend my own free time playing guitar, do a little bit of writing. I also enjoy going to live concerts, so we try to make as many concerts as we can during the concert season. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me a little bit better. I hope to be able to interact with you in the future, and I hope that you will trust HighPoint Surgical Associates for your surgical needs.